was born into a simple rural family. The influence of my parents, especially my mother, and my faith in God molded my character. The primary lessons I learned are humility, kindness, and honesty. That is why I made my Dilmah a business that serves humanity, not for profit, but for a better future. I was 20 years old when I started my life in tea. And I cannot quite comprehend how my love for tea has impacted so many lives. It is wonderful to know that so many around the world enjoy my Dilmah tea. Beyond that is the joy I have in knowing that together, my family, my team, and I have been blessed by God to positively impact the lives of thousands.